Say Aiden. Aiden. Yeah, buddy. What? Yeah. That's my little boy. Just go give him a hug. Just give him a hug. Quick. Come on.
Just go and give him a hug.
Yeah. Ah, Karima. Hey, go over there. Aiden, go over there. Go over there. Give him a hug. Right here, get me in.
Aiden, go over there. Yeah, but yes, this is what I have to deal with. I love you guys. Done?
Oh, let's see. You gonna go in?
I told Dan.
Hey, do that little roll up you did earlier. Go here, go say hi. Dan, stop it. Karima. Hello. Hello, pretty girl. Pretty girl. Come on, just show your face and stop it. Show your face. Hi. 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 Aiden, calm down, buddy. Yeah, he probably had like 12 Red Bulls. He should have worked for Red Bull. I know, huh? Hey, I think you got high on Red Bull. Come here, buddy. You're done. You're good. You should work for Red Bull, huh? Hey, so what's the plan tomorrow? No, just talk. Just say something. What's the plan tomorrow? We're going to the gym?
Yeah, you
We're
are.
gonna go
I have
tanning.
to watch Kailani.
You have to do what?
Watch Kailani because her butt. She has surgery on it.
Oh my God! Like totally. Hey.
How you doing?
Oh, hey. Say. No, you didn't.
Didn't.
No, hang on. No, do it. No, you didn't. No way. But not with you.